What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be making just a wheel swap. I got this let's see if you guys can see it, the new trucks 5-pack, and I wanted to put some wheel riders on the Datsun. So let's go ahead and do that. Here she is. Pretty clean truck. So let's drill it apart. And there it is. We'll probably do like some details on it. I don't know. We'll see. But there it is, drill apart. Let's grab a screwdriver, take the wheels out. This is not a how-to video, just kind of showing you guys what I do. If you guys do it differently, go ahead and do it. Whatever works. So there it is. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And for wheels, we're going to be using, let's see, put this over here. As you can tell, I'm very limited on space, but it works. Here we have all the donors, and I have some wheel riders. So I think we're going to be using some gold wheels. I mean, I already had gold wheels, but these are wheel riders, so let's see. Let's see. Pretty cool. I get them from eBay. If you guys just you guys don't know where to get them, just go on eBay and look from type in 1/64 scale rims, and they should pop out. I usually order them from they come from Malaysia, because well, one, it's cheaper. I've gotten to know the guy that sells them, and he's pretty cool. Every time that a wheel comes defective, I just send him a message on eBay, and he does send me back just the replacement. So I think that's pretty cool. And I get 10 sets for like 32 bucks, so you can't beat that. So if you guys want to order some, go ahead and check them out. So there it is. There she is. Rolls pretty good. Now to close them, usually the way I blow the rivets out, they don't come apart that easy, as you can tell. They kind of like snap in, it kind of ends up like an unspun Hot Wheel. So I mean, if I want to close it, I could just glue it. Sometimes I just glue them. I just bought the screws to screw them in, I guess, so I could be more professional, I guess. But I mean, I don't really sell them or anything. I just keep them. If anyone wants to buy them, they're more than welcome to hit me up and we'll work something out. So these are the little screws that I bought. And we're gonna go ahead and try to drill with this one, see if we can get it to work. And we'll be right back. All right, so I went and drilled it off camera because I mean I've never done it and I didn't want to have all that pressure on me. But here's how it came out. I'm just gonna put one on. I mean, it's pretty on there, so that's for being the first time. It's not that bad. I didn't use a tap or nothing. I just used the skinniest drill bit, which is like 1/16, I guess. Use that, so it works pretty good. You know, I didn't have to tap it. I bolted on real good. It's on there tight and everything. So yeah, there it is. Yeah. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like the video. Let me show you guys some other customs that I've done. Done this one. Probably gonna drill these and haven't done them, so probably do them right now. But just wanted to show you guys some of my work. There's that one. Got some more. Did this one. And my most recent one, let me go get it. It's ready. This is my most recent one. I really like how the paint came out on this one. This one's very glossy. It's my first time. I think it's like my best paint job. Using clear coat and everything. It's pretty sick. I like it. I love this little wagons. Pretty neat. Keep them in bags just because I don't want to get messed up or anything. And let me see if I have more. Hopefully you guys like them. Let me see if I can find them all. Little swaps that I've done. This is just wheel swaps. These are some of the ones I've restored. I went to the flea market the other day and I found some old ones on this finished product. Put the new black walls. I got them from the I think, what was it, from the Target Decades, the exclusives. You know, they have black walls. Well, I took the tires from them because they were pretty busted, the ones that were on here. But yeah, look, take a look. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like the video. If you guys enjoy the content, subscribe, like the video. I'll be try to post more often, but I'm kind of new to this, so I'm getting kind of used to it, and bear with me. But yeah, hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.